Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions and a try-on of the iluvsarahii Through My Eyes palette and also her lip products from Colourpop. I'm very late to the game. It's because I live in Korea and I don't know, just shipping wise and it's a lot of money to spend for cheap makeup. Well, not cheap, but they're really good quality, but you know what I mean. So I bought this when Colourpop was having their free worldwide shipping deal. I was just going to get the palette, but I ended up getting the bundle. So, and I'm kind of glad that I did because I swatched these on my hand yesterday and I was very happy with the colors and just the textures. I've tried Colourpop glosses and their ultra mattes and I really like them, and these did not disappoint. And with the palette, as you can see here, so beautiful. I've been wanting to get it when she first launched it, but I just didn't get the chance. I also have the Makeup Shayla Perception palette, which is very similar layout to iluvsarahii, but again the colors are pretty different. Oh, there you go, you can see. So, and I swatched a couple shades on the back of my hand yesterday, and they look pretty good, but I haven't used them on my eyes, so I'm very excited to show you how they perform. Okay, before I start using the palette and the lips, I'm going to prep my face. I'm going to use the ONEOSEVEN Illuminator. It looks like this. Very nice packaging. Mine is really dirty right now, but it's kind of like a tone-up cream. As you can see, it has like a tinge of purple pink base to it, but it smells so good, like citrusy, and it has like these like micro glitters in there, so it makes your skin look really pretty, especially when the light hits your face, your skin. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, and then I'm gonna go in with my Designer Lift foundation from Giorgio Armani. This is my favorite, but it's very pricey, so I don't use it that often. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. So it's very dewy. I think for a bottle it costs like $70 or something. I don't know, but I just know that it's expensive. But it is my favorite. It like feels so nice and like super glowy and dewy, which I love. Okay. And then I'm gonna color correct under my eyes with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Honey. It has a nice peachy base so that it covers my dark circles. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender again. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever HD Concealer. This is in the shade Y31. So just squeeze a little bit on the back of my hands like this, and then I'm just going to dab in with my beauty blender. So it immediately brightens up my eyes. Okay. I'm going to highlight with the Makeup Forever, what is this, Pro Sculpting palette. It's very dirty. Like, I did a quick demo of it on my like really old videos, and I'm just gonna highlight just the high points of my face with the lightest shade here. So just down the nose and up onto the forehead, chin, and maybe just the cheekbones here. And just quickly blend it out with the Beauty Blender. Okay, and then with the same palette, I'm gonna just contour my nose and sculpt out my cheeks. I'm using the foundation brush from Bobbi Brown. Alright, and then I'm going to just powder the underneath my eyes just to set it with the Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. Just going to dip in my Beauty Blender in there. Just grab a little bit. And I'm going to go in with my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula just to warm up the skin. Alright, I'll do the blush and the highlight later, and I'm going to go straight into the eyes. I really want to use this green right here. This is called Emerald Dream, and so I think I'll mix a little bit of green and pink from this side. This one is called Lomo. It's like a corally pinkish orange. With a fluffy brush, this is a Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer. I'm going to just put Sandalwood all over the lid. Also, because I do my foundation first and then my eyes, I like to shape my eyes while I'm doing the base. Looks pretty good. And then I'm going to go in with Wild Soul, which is this like yellow mustardy color, with the same brush. You do get some kickback, but it's not that bad. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Lomo here, which is this corally color. Let me just swatch it for you. It's kind of fluorescent almost. Oh, turn the other way. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go in Lomo with another fluffy brush, and then just go right into the crease. I think this shade is a little bit hard to work with a brush. It does go in quite soft. Yeah. And I'm just going to concentrate on the outer corner and just fade it into that mustard yellow. Okay. Ooh, that looks pretty. I like it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this, actually, I'm gonna go in with this darker green color here. This one is called Moody, and then I'm gonna just kind of define the crease a little bit. I'm still getting used to filming YouTube, I know. I feel like I've said that in all my videos, but it takes time. So I'm just gonna put that in the crease. Okay, that is looking good. And then I will lay down some eyeshadow primer just for that green color. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So, just gonna put that all over the lid in a pressing motion. You don't want to like rub it in. And then I'm gonna use a flat brush. This is, I don't know, this is a MAC brush. It just got chipped away, but the brush itself is fine. And then I'm going to go in with this color, Emerald Dream, and then just pat it onto the lids. I'm going to go in with that same Luxe Crease brush and go back in with Moody into the crease. I think with this palette you can do a range of looks. So I think this palette is very versatile. And again, you get a lot of shades. Okay, but again, here you can see a little bit fallout, so I'm just gonna brush that away with this brush here. And with a little bit of tissue. I'm gonna slightly blur the lines between that reddish color and the yellow. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Lucido, taking on the other side of the first brush that I used. And then just go into that brow bone area. In the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Mesmer-eyez, which is this shimmery color here. And I'm gonna go in with the pencil brush, also from Zoeva. Okay, and then on the bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with Euphoric, which is this orangey shade here. And then just go underneath the lash line. So you kind of have like a balance. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna go back in with Wild Soul. And then just kind of fade that orange out. And then I'm gonna go with this really deep burgundy color. This is called Divina. And I'm gonna concentrate that on the outer corner. I am really loving this look. It looks really nice. And the pigmentation of the colors are amazing. You know, there's a little bit of fallout, but I really don't mind. This like tropical feel. It's funny because I'm like doing this like tropical look, but I'm wearing like a turtleneck. And back with this flat brush, just gonna go into Divina and then just kind of concentrate it on the bottom corner. Okay, and I'm just gonna clean up the corners with the Beauty Blender. I'm going to line my eyes with a black liner. This is from Sueno Park. This is the True Black Eye Pen Liner. I did the waterline on the bottom lashes with Essence Gel, what is this, waterproof liner in the color Urban Jungle. Yeah, and I think that's about it. And I was just going to put my lashes on, so I'll just do that now. Alright, so the eye look is finished, and I'm going to go in with the iluvsarahii in Colourpop lippies. You get 2 ultra matte and 1 gloss in the bundle. This is Sueno de Coco, this is Dulcet, and this is the glass lip. I don't know if this is just the name of... Yeah, it must be glass lip. Because the eye is so colorful, I'm probably going to go in with this brown color, which is called Sueno de Coco. I'm going to line my lips with the Wake Make lip crayon, skinny lip crayon. This is in the color... It doesn't say. It's just this color. Also, I have like this like rash on this lip, which won't go away, so it looks a bit crusty. Looks good. So this is the lip. I quite like it, but I kind of want to try on this gloss as well, so I'll apply that on top. Very pretty. Oh, and it smells so good. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest off the face. I have to put some blush on. I'm going to go ahead with the Colourpop Drop of a Hat Super Shock Cheek. And I'm just going to use my fingers just to apply that. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight the Dose of Colors Desi Katy collab in Fuego. Looks like this. It's like a nice champagne color. Golden Champagne, I should say. It's a perfect highlighter if you want to get that wet look. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do my brows. I was so into the eyes and the lips that I forgot to do my brows, which I will do after I do this. Yay! Sorry if I keep looking on this side because my monitor's here. Yeah, anyway, let me just do my brows real quick because I totally forgot. I'm going to use the Benefit Ka-Brow and the Zoeva brow line brush. Yes, that looks so much better. I was like, I'm missing something. Something doesn't look right, and it was because I don't do my brows. Okay guys, so I'm done with this look. I love it. It turned out a lot better than I expected it to be. I don't know, this tropical vibe is really what I'm feeling right now. Probably because I'm waiting for spring and warmer weather. So my thoughts on the palette is that it's great. You should definitely try to get this if you were like thinking about it, or if you don't have it, definitely I would say it is a must. The colors in here are so pretty. There were some colors that were a little bit hard to work with. I think Lucido with a brush, it was okay. And also Divina, it was also okay. A little bit chalky, but it was fine. The color turned out okay on the eyes. And this Emerald Dream color is so pretty. Like, it's so vibrant. You know, there was hardly any fallout, so I would definitely recommend this palette. You can, you know, do a whole bunch of looks. It could be colorful like this, or you could do really muted. Maybe just go down like this line here. You could do like a fall look, a Christmas look, a spring look with the pinks that are down here. So anything is really possible. So I would definitely recommend this palette. Get it. I think, you know, Colourpop is having sales, so, you know, definitely go try to get that. For the lips, definitely, you know, I think Colourpop, you know, Ultra Matte and the glossy lips are fantastic. The color is really nice. For the pink one, I'll just swatch it for you. It's like this nice rosy tone. I feel like it would go well with a lot of skin tones. Yeah, but definitely like this. So if you can do it, you know, you should definitely get the bundle. Like, I think this is like $32 or something like that, but definitely worth it. Yeah, and I don't regret purchasing them. So anyway, I hope that you guys like this look. You know, I'm sure there's a lot of different reviews out there for this palette and also for the lip bundle, but you know, this is my take and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. I hope that you guys like this look and this tutorial or this type of video. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Like this. Browtones.